Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping both devices so they can talk. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, sign into the same Google account, and update Chrome OS. Once done, open Settings on your Chromebook, go to Connected Devices, and choose Set up Nearby Device. This initiates pairing. Make sure your phone is discoverable and has screen unlocked, otherwise pairing will fail. This step establishes the link that lets you share files, notifications, and apps. So take a moment to confirm both devices show each other. Next, complete the pairing process and enable the features you need. When a PIN appears, confirm it on both devices. This secures the connection. Once paired, open Phone Hub on your Chromebook and toggle notifications, apps, and hotspot. These enable quick app launches, message previews, and tethering. Then set up Nearby Share and Google Drive Sync to move files fast. If you plan to mirror or control the phone, enable screen sharing. Otherwise, leave it off for battery savings. This is where convenience meets. Finally, run quick tests. Transfer a photo via Nearby Share, confirm a notification appears in Phone Hub, and connect to the Chromebook hotspot. If everything works, make any privacy or permission adjustments to limit access. Once done, learn basic maintenance. Restart devices after major updates, and toggle unused features off to save battery. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, repair from connected devices, and verify app permissions and Wi-Fi settings. That usually fixes 90% of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.